Starting around 20 January 2024, Cardano is exchanging at $0.5144 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.05% in sort of most recent 1 hour in a fundamentally significant manner. ADA really has an exceptionally complete market cap of $18,213,403,078 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $445,907,188, showing how ADA truly has a genuinely all-out market cap of $18,213,403,078, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $445,907,188 in an especially significant manner. This certainly makes Cardano, ADA, especially positioning at 8 in the digital currency market, which most certainly is genuinely huge. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cardano certainly be by and large worth in 2024? Is Cardano a wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2024, or so they truly thought? Will ADA cost in every way that really matters outperform its unsurpassed high, which generally is genuinely huge? These explicitly are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, or so they for the most part thought. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2024. As per the Cardano estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the ADA cost fundamentally is supposed to in every practical sense cross a sort of normal value level of $0.7774, the normal certainly least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to basically be $0.7509, which basically is very critical. Besides, ADA can truly arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0.8860, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano value conjecture January 2024. In January 2024, the extremely greatest cost for Cardano could really stretch around $0.5723 in an every practical sense, large way. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in January 2024 for the most part is $0.5087, with an essentially normal cost of $0.5564 in a significant manner. Cardano value expectation February 2024. Cardano cost in a real sense is supposed to reach between $0.5574 to $0.5945 in February 2024. While the typical cost of ADA for the February really remains around $0.5786. Cardano, ADA, value expectation walk 2024. The cost for Cardano in walk 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.5690 and $0.6234 in a fundamentally large manner. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.5902 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano value gauge April 2024, the exceptionally normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could go to $0.6079 toward the finish of April 2024, or so they truly thought. ADA could explicitly be exchanging around an extremely greatest worth of $0.6470, with the fundamentally least expected cost of $0.5867, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Cardano value conjecture May 2024. In May 2024, the sort of greatest cost for Cardano could explicitly stretch around $0.6774 in an every way that really matters, large way. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in May 2024 in every way that really matters is $0.6057 with a kind of typical cost of $0.6322, or so they especially thought. ADA value gauge June 2024. The Cardano estimate for June 2024 expects that the ADA may by and large arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.7027, with an especially least cost of around $0.6247 in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the typical value, ADA can by and large stretch around $0.6512 for June, or so they thought. Cardano, ADA, value conjecture July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Cardano in every way that really matters is somewhat anticipated to basically arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of $0.6772, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0.7353 and a kind of least of $0.6560. So while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.5902, which by and large is very critical. Cardano Value Gauge August 2024, the normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could basically go to $0.7043 toward August 2024 in an unpretentious manner's end. ADA could generally be exchanging around a sort of greatest worth of $0.7624, with the sort of least expected cost of $0.6778, which is very huge. Cardano Value Gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the very most extreme cost for Cardano could really stretch around $0.7906, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2024 basically is $0.6972, with a sort of typical cost of $0.7184 in a very enormous manner. ADA Value Gauge October 2024. The Cardano estimate for October 2024 expects that the ADA may basically arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0.8265, with a base cost of around $0.7116, or so they by and large thought. Discussing the kind of typical value ADA can stretch around $0.7328 for October, which really is very huge. Cardano Value Figure November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Cardano generally is supposed to especially be at around in every practical sense, least of $0.7336, or so they thought. Cardano cost can sort of arrive at a limit of $0.8558, with the kind of typical cost of $0.7547 in United States dollars, or so they by and large thought. Cardano Value Gauge December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Cardano especially is supposed to essentially be at around at least $0.7509, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano cost can for the most part arrive at in every practical sense limit of $0.8860, with the by and large normal cost of $0.7774 in United States dollars, truly further appearance how Cardano, ADA, Value Gauge July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Cardano is for the most part anticipated to basically arrive at a typical cost of $0.6772, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $0.7353 and a by and large least of $0.6560, so while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to by and large be around $0.5902. Cardano pretty passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Cardano's cost especially has shown a very decent increment of 2.82% in the especially most recent 24 hours, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano truly is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins, showing how on the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what fundamentally is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024.